the gospel at home? How do you bring Jesus at home? My dear friends, you cannot give what you don't have. Charity begins at home. For you to be a Christian, from your heart, from within, you share first to the family God has given you. That is your dwelling place. You may go outside. People will give you what we call satisfaction, but not happiness. And when they give you satisfaction, it starts at expiry date of time. Because when you feel satisfied, later on you will feel hungry. But when you are happy, what comes with happiness? Peace of mind. You are at peace. Brothers and sisters, as you are seated here in this Mass, we are all children of God. When you look at the left and your right, you don't know the person.